Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And we are back with another banger. Just kidding.
And his hair
is a banger.
Growing back.
It is growing back. And then I got
his eyebrows done.
Cleaned up, boys. Because we stay clean around here. You already know. She's wearing her little FFA shirt because she's a farmer girl.
Really an FFA.
Anyways, today, as you have seen by the title already, and yeah, we're back in my car again, like always. And as you have seen by the title, we are finally trying the chicken sandwich from Popeyes. We know we're a little late for this trend, but
every time we go,
we've tried for like weeks and weeks. Okay, it's been out for like a couple weeks. But since the first, like when it started trending, we tried to buy it. And it did not work out.
So we have them now.
So we have them now, as she said. And she got the spicy one, and I got the just the original one. And this is a look at them. They're looking
thick,
fat, and juicy. Looking thick with 3 C's. And then we're gonna compare them to
Wendy's. Well, we just got one.
Yeah, because we're not gonna eat that much.
It's like a bigger version of McChicken.
Not really.
Yeah.
And then we got the one that I love to eat. Arby's sponsor me, because I eat your sandwiches all the time. Looking nice and juicy. Look at that. It's got a little cheese Swiss on it and bacon and
big piece of cheese.
Made my mouth watery. Okay, so we're gonna first. What do you want to try first? Okay, we're gonna try our Popeyes sandwich. This looks juicy and fat. I hate pickles, and I know this has pickles because I saw it when I was showing it off.
I don't know what pickles on mine either. It doesn't even have. Wait. Yeah, no, just pickles on there.
You just don't have pickles?
Yeah, it does. It smells like Miss Stucky's pickles.
Ready? Just shout out Miss Stucky like that. Shout out Miss Stucky. Okay, ready? One.
Wait, where do I want to bite at?
The fattest part.
Right here. Right here.
Okay. Ready? This is, by the way, this is our first time trying it. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's okay. Chick-fil-A's is definitely better though.
I don't know if I like it. Because, can I get a napkin?
It tastes like something, I just don't know what it tastes like.
I think it tastes like, this is gonna sound stupid, but it tastes like the the chicken, like with the bones in them. It tastes exactly like that.
Chicken?
Oh yeah, I know it's chicken, but It just tastes like the chicken you'd get. I don't know. I guess it tastes exactly like the chicken that they have in a sandwich.
It tastes like something. I don't know what it tastes like though.
Let me try the spicy one.
It tastes like fried pickles.
Ew.
That's exactly what it tastes like. What? Wendy's?
Mm-mm.
Mine?
Yeah. You want to try mine?
I bet yours is the same exact thing as mine, but not hot. For sure.
You didn't even bite at it. Look at the little bite she took. You gotta go in big, boys.
What?
I still have pickle in it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's disgusting. I ate a whole one.
I know that one's yours.
Why does it matter?
Mm-hmm. That just tastes. I'm not impressed.
Me either. Wait, where'd my napkin go?
Mm-hmm.
Me either. I think the spicy one was better though. Better.
Yeah.
Not
Wendy's?
yeah.
This literally looks like a McChicken.
No, it doesn't.
I've never had a Wendy's chicken sandwich though.
I think I might have once. Just to make you guys a little more hungry. It's all greasy. God dang, boy.
Ew, it has tomatoes on it.
Mm.
You want this?
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm not biting.
I'll put it on the side. I think that one's better. And the Wendy's one.
Tastes like something I could make at home. But it's better.
Huh?
But it's better.
Yeah, this Popeyes one really disappointed. All this hype for nothing. You know, I seen on Twitter, there's these guys, like, when they just came out, they, like, bought out the whole store and tried to sell them outside. And nobody bought any of them. I thought it was
No one
pretty
bought
funny.
any of them?
Nope.
Why?
Well, who would want to buy that off of someone? What if they, like,
You're right.
drugged them?
You're right.
I mean, I guess the workers from Popeyes could do that too, but I guess it's less likely.
You want your Arby's? Oh. Okay.
Oh, yeah. And here is my all-time favorite. Arby's chicken and Swiss and bacon. Look at that.
All your fries spilled.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Anyways. Well, I'll let you try this one first. It has a tomato on it. Just let us know what
That looks hard.
veggies you like and what you don't. Is the tomato a vegetable or a fruit? Madison Hospital.
Does that have bacon on it?
Yeah. She can't eat bacon. She's a Muslim. I can't eat pork, I guess. And then they add like this special sauce to this sandwich. It makes it even better. So delicious.
I think it's a cheese on it.
It's supposed to go that way.
I don't like it.
It's definitely my favorite out of the 4. What was your favorite?
Probably tie between Popeyes and Wendy's. Wendy's said this tasted like something I could make at home, and Popeyes.
Popeyes what?
I don't know. It wasn't good, but it wasn't like horrible.
I didn't really like it. I think it was way overhyped.
Way overhyped. Way.
We waited weeks for that sandwich, literally, because we only have one Popeyes around here. So, yeah, we couldn't go anywhere but that one place, and we literally waited weeks for it.
Every time we went, they were all sold out.
Like, we tried like 2 weeks before this. And then one time we called to see if they had it, because this is like a 30-minute drive for us.
And then we didn't want to come all the way over here just
to be disappointed again.
Mm-hmm.
So we called, and they're like, it was on a Sunday, and they said, oh, we'll have a new shipment in on Monday, meaning the next day.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. Anyways, so I have this right here. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a paintball gun.
Quit.
If you guys have any ideas what we can do with this, I know it needs a CO2 tank, and I have like
8 of them.
8 of them at home, but this is the one I could find right away. So I was gonna show you guys, and if you guys have any ideas with it, just let us know, and comment who you want to get shot, me or her.
Not me. Quit.
Ow! That like got
Pinch
my
your finger?
Yeah, it pinched my skin.
So that's what you get.
But so yeah, if you have any ideas with the paintball gun, let us know and we'll do it. She got scared of it this morning.
Yeah. We'll insert that video
Right now.
Look at them. I told them to both come outside. They're coming out now. Run! Run! You better run!
So that's it. And yeah, we, as you can tell, she was pretty scared. She didn't even know what it was, I don't think, at the beginning. Did you know what it was? It's not even loaded. It hasn't been loaded in like years. We used to have like this tradition where we'd go paintballing every 4th of July, but not anymore. So I just have paintball guns all over the house, just laying around, not being used. So yeah, if you know of a way we can include them in the video, let us know. Send us a message on Twitter, DM us, whatever. Just let us know, and we will see if we can do it. But anyways, that was
Go try that Popeyes chicken sandwich and tell us what you guys think about it.
garbage.
Because we didn't like it.
But I'm very picky with my food, so you could like it, or you could not.
It was okay.
And it wasn't even okay. Anyways,
See you guys next Sunday.
I think that is it for today's video. Look, representing Atlanta, right?
Yes. We're up.
You just take my shirt off. Huh. Anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed. We half enjoyed it because, I mean, I still have that Arby's sandwich, so you already know I'm gonna down that after this video. But anyways, yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed. We hope you guys are having a good weekend and are excited about school tomorrow because it's a Monday. We all start school again on Monday. Monday's all the worst. Just get over Monday and it'll go like that. But yes, let us know.
And comment ideas below. And subscribe.
Subscribe.
And hit the bell button.
Yes. And remember, we're doing a giveaway at 500. Yes, we are far away. But if you tell everyone to go subscribe, we will be there in no time. It's going to be a good giveaway, too. We're not going to tell you guys what it is until we're like this close. This close. Anyways, but yeah, okay. Anyways, we love you guys. You guys take care. Stay smart. Stay fresh. You already know what it is. And we will see you guys next
Sunday.
weekend, Sunday.
Sunday.
We will see you guys. Peace.